Hello everyone. Today we're going to go through repackaging ETS Unity Workstation and then uploading it into YouTube so it can be packaged, deployed, and then used for student testing. So I went ahead and I grabbed the installer for the file and I've placed it here in my Intune repackaging directory. The install link and download files will be available on the website. And so now that we've got everything staged, I'm going to go ahead and get this ready to repackage. Now, open up PowerShell as an admin, and then CD to the location where the repackager is located. In this case for me, I put it under a scripts folder, and I put it under the repackager folder. Okay, and then sometimes if you want to see what's in the directory to confirm, you can do an ls, and it will show you what's in that directory, similar to dir for command prompt. And I'm going to run this Intune utility by typing in the word Intune and pressing tab to autocomplete. And it will fill in the rest of this. And now let's launch it. Right. Now it wants me to specify the source folder. Okay. Well, the source folder is where the Unify Workstation installer is located. So I'm going to go up to the address bar of where it's located. I'm going to copy that into my clipboard. And then I come into my PowerShell prompt and then right click, and it will automatically paste it in here for me. Now I'm going to press enter, and then I need to specify the setup file. Now with executables, you'll need to go into show more options, go to properties, grab the install file name from here, and since it's an executable, we'll copy and paste this, and we'll need to put an exe at the end to specify that. Now we're going to go to the output folder. This is where the repackaged copy is going to go. So I have that located under scripts, Intune Win, ETS, Unity Workstation, today's date, and I'm going to copy this in here and paste that into PowerShell. Okay, now it's going to ask to specify a catalog folder. Since this doesn't have a catalog folder, we don't need to specify that. And a lot of times in education, you won't need to specify this. So no, enter. Okay. Now it's repackaged the application. And now if we look in the Intune Win folder, we now have our Intune Win file. So that's simply how to repackage an application with Intune. And now we're going to move on to the Intune deployment steps. So now that we've got it pulled up,